Hallo alles zusammen. Hallo everybody. Welcome to my channel Learn German My Way. So to begin with the German language, we will begin with the very first thing, and that is, how do you tell your name? I am Aparna and we'll be learning a lot of German letters, a lot of German words, making new sentences, learning a few which are used very much in your day-to-day life. Say suppose you've gone for a visit to Germany, you would surely need these sentences. So to begin with, we'll start with the very first thing, and that is to tell your name. It's an important part of an introduction, or I should say, it is the very first thing about an introduction. The first thing a person comes and tell you is their name. Say suppose you're in a party and you want to introduce yourself, or you want to begin a small talk. Before that, you need to tell your name. So we'll learn to tell our names in 3 different types. Drei Wege, 3 types or 3 ways. First is Ich heiße Aparna. Ich heiße Aparna. Heiße. The verb heiße here is not a literal translation of I am Aparna, but to be called. The verb heiße is to be called for. So I am called Aparna. You can say your name too. Ich heiße, whatever it is, Peter, Megha, Divya, anything. Now let's learn the second type. You can introduce yourself. Ich bin Aparna. Ich bin Aparna. Here the verb bin is for am. I am Aparna. Ich bin Aparna. Now, you would say, why can't I play a simple thing? Ich bin Rohan, ich bin Divya, and why to go for Ich heiße? So, the small justification for this is, when you tell an introduction about yourself, you use a lot of sentences. I am Aparna, I am so-and-so year old, I live here, I am working for so-and-so company. So you cannot have a repetitive thing of ich bin, ich bin, ich bin. So you say ich heiße Aparna, ich bin 28 Jahre alt. So what I want to say to you all is, first use ich heiße and your name, and maybe in the next coming sentences you can use the verb bin. Now the third or the most simplest version of telling your name is mein Name ist. Mein Name ist Aparna. It's a literal translation of my name is so and so. Mein Name ist so and so. Now, to quickly recap it all, let's learn the 3 ways in which you can tell your name in Deutsch. Ich bin Aparna, ich heiße Aparna, mein Name ist Aparna. So now let's quickly wrap the video and wait for my next video, and also like, share and subscribe. Thank you.